Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about our नीट सीरीज concept. जैसे आपने कमेंट करके मुझे बोला था कि सब और 10 to 15 मिनट जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है नीट के ले लो। तो उसके हिसाब से I'm starting the series. Okay, already we talked about the spermatogenesis. Now we're going to talk about the very important topic in human physiology, that is oogenesis. The moment I say genesis means something as synthesis. In spermatogenesis, let's compare. In spermatogenesis, one cell से four sperm मिलते हैं, but in oogenesis, we are getting from one to one. Okay, why? To maintain the chromosomal numbers. Okay, to maintain the chromosomal numbers. Now, oogenesis जो start होता है ना, वो पहले स्टार्ट होता है, मतलब फीमेल बर्थ होने से पहले ही ये स्टार्ट हो जाता है। जैसे कि इन मदर होम फीमेल इज देयर डेफिनेटली, तो उसके पास ना oogonia आएंगे। oogonia क्या है? द वन व्हिच इज रिस्पांसिबल टू फॉर्म द ओवा, राइट? जो हम लेयर्स के ऊपर रहेगा, ठीक है, अल्बिजिना के नीचे वाला लेयर रहेगा, ठीक है। सो कितने oogonia रहते हैं बिफोर ही बर्थ? 6 lakhs. हाउ मच? 6 lakhs. और जैसे ही बर्थ होता है वो रिड्यूस होके 1.5 लाख ही रह जाता है, एंड प्यूबर्टी आते आते इट विल बी रिमेन 60 to 80,000 ओनली। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है। दिस डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ oogonia is called as a follicular atresia. Follicular atresia. This is very important one. Okay, so as we mentioned, before birth, just birth, and after birth, or what can say, towards reaching the puberty. Okay, so please pay attention over there. Now we're going to talk about the how it actually is formed. So I have a oogonia over here. Okay, oogonia. Okay, now this undergo mitosis, definitely वो mitosis के अंदर जाएगा, राइट? तो क्या बनाएगा? दो सेल बनाएगा, ठीक है, एंड देन इट विल अंडरगो द डिफरेंशिएशन। मैं भी एक सेल के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, ये अलग अपना पाथ फॉलो करेगा। अंडरगो डिफरेंशिएशन. सो वंस यू अंडरगो डिफरेंशिएशन, दैट इज टर्म एज अ प्राइमरी फर्स्ट प्राइमरी oocyte. ओके, बट ये प्राइमरी oocyte बोला जाएगा, राइट? बट क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? माइटोसिस हुआ, डिफरेंशिएशन हुआ, ये अलग से जाएगा। यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे, प्राइमरी oocyte बना। लेकिन ये जो प्राइमरी oocyte है, इट गेट अरेस्टेड, द ग्रोथ इज गेट अरेस्टेड एट प्रोफेस 1 डिप्लोटिन फेज में ये अरेस्ट हो जाता है। क्यों अरेस्ट हो जाता है? राइट, यहाँ पे पढ़े ना हमने, तो दिस इज एक्चुअली फीटल। ओके, मतलब वूम के अंदर जो है वहां पे अरेस्ट हो गया। इसके बाद क्या होगा? बर्थ होगा, राइट? सो देयर विल बी द बर्थ, so there will be no activity of this. It get arrested at a prophase 1 deploting phase stage. Then पूरा childhood निकल जाएगा, there is no activity. But जब puberty होगा start, when puberty hit to the female, that time it will get activated, and this will be undergo to form secondary, or what we can write here is, okay, let me draw properly for you, secondary oocyte along with the bar body. First bar body will be formed from primary oocyte, and this bar body is what? See, meiosis. What we want to talk about? We want to talk about the meiosis. So in case of meiosis, the reductional one is going to happen, because we have to maintain. In spermatogenesis, from one cell we get a 4 sperms, right? So that n is going to maintain. But from oogenesis, we are getting one cell. That is a more important point. So now in case of bar body is remain there. There is no further anything happen with the bar body. Now this oocyte is suspended. The growth is suspended at what? Obviously, meiosis 2. Okay, the growth is suspended at meiosis 2. Now, why this is happening? Until and unless, okay, this is bar. Until and unless there will be the entry of the sperm, it is not get activated. So I'm drawing the same thing over here along with the sperm. So once the sperm enter into the secondary oocyte, that means what is releasing into the fallopian tube, फिम्ब्रिया जो होते हैं वो क्या लेके आते हैं सेकेंडरी oocyte, वो ओवा नहीं होता. हम बोलते हैं उसको कि ओवा इज released, but actually that is not ova, that is secondary oocyte which is suspended at a meiosis 2. And whenever there is an entry of the sperm, this is going to divide quickly, simultaneously, to form the ova along with the, this is first, this is second bar body, and this is ova which going to see the entry of the sperm. जिस sperm की entry वो trigger करती है secondary oocyte को फिर से meiosis करने के लिए, जो suspend था फिर बार बॉडी बनाएंगे एंड ओवा आपका बनेगा. एंड ये ओवा आगे की लाइफ में sperm उसको क्या कर रहा है, फर्टिलाइज कर रहा है, तो आगे बढ़ेगा. दिस इज oogenesis. People or the students get confused with follicular genesis and oogenesis. That is quite different. So when you talk about the oogenesis, the point is very much clear to you. It is quite different from the spermatogenesis. And in case of oogenesis, we are getting one set from one oogonia. We are getting one. So chromosomal number is maintained over there. As to maintain the chromosomal number, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बार बॉडीज को रिलीज किया जा रहा है. Okay, so here we are covered 2-3 questions. Like in a fetal life, around oogonia is how much, 6 lakhs. Then जैसे puberty hit करेगा, it will be remain 60 to 80. It's called follicular atresia. This point is very much clear to you. So from oogonia, this is first point we have covered. Then how many times the growth is get arrested? You can see primary oocyte at a prophase 1 diploting stage. Then during the childhood there is nothing happening. As the puberty hit, it's undergo secondary oocyte. Again it's suspended at meiosis 2, and whenever there is an entry of the sperm, it triggers further form the secondary bar body. So ये जो है ना meiosis 2 इस फॉर्म की एंट्री के बाद हो, तो fallopian tube में रिलीज क्या होता है, ओवा? No, it's releasing secondary oocyte. So this point is clear to you what I'm talking about. ये point clear हो गया आपको? Okay, so I will come up with the next topic. Okay, so till that time you can wait and please do comment so I can understand what you want. Okay, thank you.